It smells like sulfur. We're on our last stop of the day. We're heading to a place called Mammoth and the Terraces. So here's a map of the Mammoth Hot Springs terraces. There's trails all around, and then here's the terraces. Look at these trees just popping out of nowhere. It's so desolate. Hello, we are at Yellowstone, America's first national park, and we have made it to the terraces. Look at these trees just popping up out of nowhere. It looks like Namibia. Look at it. It almost looks like the texture of bones. And then in the distance over there, you can see a tiny speck of turquoise. We're going over there. That's the pool. And then you have these terrace spots right here where the water has collected. Look at these colors. Pinks and blues. And then it just runs right over the edge. It's like steps, natural steps. The Mammoth Hot Springs have been described as looking like an inside-out cave or a frozen fountain. This large complex of hot springs sits on a hill of travertine. It was created over thousands of years as hot water from a spring cooled and deposited calcium carbonate. It looks like somebody melted orange crayons into the river. Now this looks like a giant slip and slide. Look at that. Look at this. It's running down like a slip and slide. Now it's time to hit the road to our next attraction. We're in the general store and they have a whole bunch of huckleberry treats and buffalo jerky. There's deer right there in the center. Hello, Mr. Bison. He's taking a mud bath. This is so cute. He's in this open meadow all by himself. One moment we spot the bison peacefully eating grass, and the next moment we spot some strange activity. This is called wallowing, or rolling in the dirt. It's a common behavior that serves many functions and helps them prevent insect bites. Our next stop, we approach one of the most dramatic geological features of the park, the Yellowstone Grand Canyon. This is insane. Wow. Look at this. You can hear the thunder. We're at the canyon. Take a look at this giant waterfall. You can hear it. Yellowstone National. The canyon was formed 640,000 years ago from a volcanic eruption. The wind, water, and earthquakes continue to sculpt the canyon. The multi-hued orange, brown, and green rocks of the canyon result from the hydrothermally altered rhyolite and sediments. Look at that drop. We're taking videos and photos here. Look at this. What do you think, baby?
This is cool. That's a great waterfall.
Mike, what did you think?
Grand Canyon of Yellowstone.
Woo.
We're gonna go see some waterfalls. Let's go.
This national park is incredible. It's just, there's canyons, waterfalls, mountains, rivers, rapids, geysers, geothermal activity. We saw bears, bison, what else, BP?
Elk and deer.
Look right there. There's a staircase. That is the scariest staircase ever. Oh, look at this drop. And then there's one pine on the ledge right there. So So it says here that the rust-colored parts are rhyolite, and the canyon is nearly 1,200 feet deep. If you like these views as much as we do, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe down below. Now we head to Lower Falls for a more direct view of this impressive waterfall. This is the postcard shot right here. Just taking it all in. We're in the Lower Falls. Yellowstone, look at this drop, 308 feet to the bottom. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Got hiking trails here. Beautiful day in July in the park. Oh wow. Oh my God.
They can charge.
Look at this lake. Oh my gosh. And then it turns into a meadow. Look at these diverse landscapes. Oh, we got bison. Mike, what did you find?
So cool. We found a herd of bison here munching on grass.
Wow, this is incredible. We have a herd of bison here and they're just chilling. It's so peaceful here. They're just roaming along, waving their tails. He is so hungry. Yellowstone is the only place in the lower 48 states to have continuously free-ranging bison population since prehistoric times. They are the largest land-dwelling mammal in North America. Males can weigh 2,000 pounds. They move so slowly. Look how slow they move. Their heads are buried in that meadow. They are so hungry. This has got to be one of the most surreal things.
Flies on those things.
They're just here, just naturally.
And those are original
bison. We have another herd, and we have elk. Look at these elk. Look at their antlers. It's so green. It looks like the 18th hole is over there.
Yeah.
He's right here. Go slow, slow. Hey, hey. Okay, we are now at the ocean. Just kidding. We are still in Yellowstone. We have reached a beach in Yellowstone. Look, with waves. This is incredible. Mountains for days, and an island in the middle of the beach. An island, not a boat in sight. BP, what do you think of this beach?
This is cool. I feel like I'm in the ocean in the middle of Yellowstone.
This is crazy. Mike's checking out the water now. What's it called?
It's cool. It's not cold.
This is just crazy. It looks like someone painted this.
Like a dream sequence.
Yes. It's like a fairy tale. Look at his little fuzzy antlers.
Yeah, they fall off in the fall.
Oh, and they make those archways out of it. As we make our way through the park, the landscape changes from forests to lakes to meadows, and we keep an eye out for more wildlife. Elk are the most abundant large mammal found in Yellowstone, with an estimated 10 to 20,000. Off the side of the road, we spot an entire family of elk resting alongside the meadow.
These guys. Just chilling.
We just came across a family of elk. There's a mom, a dad, and a baby. Oh, look, they're kissing. Hi. They're kissing. Look, look, look. Oh my God. Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. This is incredible.
Baby's right behind her. A bunch of babies. The ones with the spots on their back. The babies.
We stop at Yellowstone Lake for a sunset view. This is the largest high elevation lake in North America at an elevation of 7,733 feet. Just driving through Yellowstone is a magical experience. The park covers nearly 3,500 square miles of wilderness and is home to more than half of the world's geysers. You never know what you'll find on the side of the road or what mammals you will encounter. We hope you get a chance to get out and explore the beautiful nature here at Yellowstone National Park very soon. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, share with your friends, and subscribe for many more travel videos. Yellowstone, Yellowstone.